pleased to extend greetings to Honorable Member of Parliament, Shri Milind Murli Devda. On his birthday today.
As soon as the proceedings of the Rajya Sabha began at exactly 11 a.m. on Wednesday during the winter session of Parliament, a spectacular scene was there in the upper house. The occasion was the birthday of the Shiv Sena young MP Milind Murli Devda. Vice President and Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Jagdeep Dhankar, drew the attention of all the MPs present in the House towards Milind Devda and wished him a happy birthday. Milind Devda promptly responded and stood up in the House with great humility and expressed his gratitude to the chair and all his colleagues.
On his birthday today.
Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar spoke in detail about Milind Devda's political journey from the beginning till now for 4 minutes continuously. During this, Dhankar also recalled the incomparable contributions made by Milind Devda's late father and veteran political figure Murli Devda to Mumbai, Maharashtra and the country as a whole. The Vice President said that Murli Devda had excellent relations with the leaders of all the political parties. It reflects his popularity and sense of social harmony.
Shri Devda comes from an illustrious family. His father, Shri Murli Devda, had remarkable public life, making monumental contributions in various positions. A former cabinet minister, a member of this house as well, as also of Lok Sabha, and he kept his relations across all parties, something which is fundamental. I have had the good occasion and fortune to be member of Parliament along with his father and known the family for over 4 decades.
Milind Devda became the Lok Sabha MP at the age of just 27. After that, he reached the Lok Sabha by winning Mumbai South Lok Sabha seat in 2004 with a huge margin. He continued his victory in 2009 as well. Between 2009 and 2014, he was given the responsibility of major ministries like Communications and Information Technology and Shipping of the Government of India as a minister. The Vice President surprised everyone by recalling an amazing talent of Milind Devda. He told the members that Milind Devda is also a skilled guitarist and he has given many public performances of his art.
Milind rose to become Union Minister of State for Communication and Information Technology with an additional portfolio of shipping. A business graduate from Boston University, Shri Devda is also the founder of Sparsh, the NGO dedicated to empowering underprivileged students through ICT skills. He is an accomplished guitarist with several public performances to his credit.
Milind Murli Devda was born on 4th December 1976 in a Marwadi family of Rajasthan. He is a well-known Indian politician who is currently a member of the Rajya Sabha from Maharashtra. Apart from being a politician, he is also known for his social concerns. Bureau Report, Parliament Desk, Dynamite News, New Delhi.